Hello and welcome. My name's Alan Millard and I am a master distributor for Your Virtual Portal. Let me show you just how easy it is to make your vSmart, in other words your smart phone mobile website. Alright, so what I've gone to is yourvirtualportal.net, and you have this little vSmart website maker. You can either log in if you've already have one, or if you want to create a new one. And this is what I would recommend you do if you want to promote your virtual portal. So you click on this create new vSmart website, alright, and a page will come up, and when it does, you've got all these little places here that you can fill in. Alright, well, we've gone a step further. Alright, all you need to do, if you're a member already of your virtual portal, you put in your referral ID, your name, okay? Wherever you want, wherever it, for your replicated website. In my case, it's cbmarketing.yourvirtualportal.com. So all I have to do is put in CB Marketing, because the yourvirtualportal.com is already there. Now watch what happens when I click on this box right here that says use default vSmart template. Okay, and this is where we've made it very simple to create your vSmart to share your virtual portal with your contacts. If you check that box, watch over here. Look at everything that populated. Alright, so you've got 8 call to action buttons. You've got your virtual portal distributor, you got a video. Alright, so let's clean this up a little bit. Not going to do anything with the order number or promotion code. First name and last name I'm going to put in there, and that's only for the back office usage. Alright, so they know who has this vSmart. And then for the business name, I'm not sure why it doesn't go to 2 lines, so I'm just going to put my name in here again. And there it is above the YouTube video, okay? Now this YouTube video is a short 3-minute, 14-second video about the business opportunity for your virtual portal. You can use that one, or you could, use any other video you want. But it's already there for you, already, talking about and promoting your virtual portal. So you really don't have to do anything else. Down here, if you just add your phone number, 614-349-5952. Alright, and it appears right before you. If you click this box here for allow text, we'll see in a minute when if you go to this page, see where if you check that box, it'll have a text number where people can text you. That's what that is for. Alright. Down here, you would add your Skype username in, and that will appear right below the text buttons, and it's a hotkey, meaning when you send that out to somebody and they're on Skype and you're on Skype, if they click on this right here, the Skype, it'll actually start calling your Skype and contacting you. Alright, so it is a hotkey, or it's a button that totally, it's just one button to contact them on Skype. Alright, this email here, you need that. That is where, when someone fills out this opt-in form, alright, yes, I need more information about this, fill out the form below for instant access. So when somebody puts their first name in here, alright, let's just say John Jones, alright, and an email address, alright, and they put a number in here, alright, and they click get instant access, you will get an email at this address here, whatever you put here. So that, that is where you get notified that someone filled in this opt-in form. This password here is the password for the vSmart. Alright, So if you're logged out and you come up to this page here, this password is what they're asking for when you want to sign in and change it. So that's what this password here is all about. All right. And then they've already, because you checked this box here, use default vSmart template, you've already got Facebook contests with this Facebook button here. It's going right out to the Your Virtual Portal Facebook fan page. All right. This next button, Commission Webinar. All right. Notice it already has CB Marketing, and that's picking it up from right here. It already coded it for you. All right. CB http://CB Marketing yourvirtualportal.com. So it's going to right to your replicated website. So if we page down a little bit more, product training channel. This is going out to the Your Virtual Portal's YouTube channel. Okay. The join button now. Join my worldwide team. Again, it's going to my replicated website, cbmarketing.yourvirtualportal.com, and it's going right to the sign up page. The next icon down is a YouTube video on commissions at launch. It's a video that Colleen did about paying commissions at launch. Internet marketing tools is this blue W, all right, and it goes to within my website at yourvirtualportal.com. It goes to the UVP duplicator and some of the replicated websites that, or the splash pages that are available with YVP duplicator. The YVP product video, all right, is this icon here, and it goes to another page within the Your Virtual Portal website. And again, it has CB Marketing, so it's going to my replicated websites inside, so that when, if a person is checking this out, they're already on your site. All they have to do is hit the join button. All right. And the last icon, this green icon, it's a free YVP video text tool. All right, and it's going right out to that page there. So the only other thing you have to do, there's only a couple of things you have to do here. You need to put your replicated website name. You need to put your first name and last name for the back office. You have to put the business name that you want to appear up here at the top. And then if you want to use this video, fine. You just have to pop in your contact number, and if you want to allow text or not, put in your Skype ID, your email address for the opt-in form, set a password. And then the only other two things you need to do is put a name in here that you want it to be saved at, and it'll be saved at joinjohn.yourvirtualportal.net or join Gary or whatever you want to name it. Join, Sally. And then all you do is hit submit. And when you hit submit, the page that you have that's brought up, okay? So here's the 8 icons, and they're all linked. They're all hot links. This goes right out to the page here, and I'm having this changed. I've talked to Colleen on actually going right to this page where a person would fill in the information instead, because I think a lot of times people might get confused if they come to this page. It is clear. If you're a distributor already, all you have to do is sign in. But if you're not, it says right here, if you do not have an account, simply create a new user account now by clicking create an account. For your security, all your details will be entered in a secured form. So, you know, really all you have to do is click this until that form is, you know, directly coming up. All right. So that'll take care of this little video. I think the way they've, you know, the way that the programmers have set this up, it's very easy. Less than 5 minutes probably it takes you to put this together. And if you want to change any of the icons, obviously all you have to do is pull this button down here, and you can choose a different icon. You know, you can label them different, you can put a different URL depending on what you want to do. But you've got it already made for you, except for a few things that you have to add in. And the other nice thing is, right here, powered by, it doesn't go to the main yourvirtualportal.com, it goes to your replicated website for your virtual portal. In my case, it's cbmarketing.yourvirtualportal.com. So if you have any questions, get back to me. Obviously, you can see the information on the screen here. Let me just get back to that page. Actually, it's on this page here. My cell number, my Skype ID. Feel free to, you know, contact me if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.